Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Vogel here. Today's read aloud is Today I Feel, an Alphabet of Feelings, written by Madalena Moniz. As we read this book, I want you guys to see if you know what letter comes next, and try to sound out the words and read it with Miss Vogel. If you have ever felt these feelings before, I want you to give a thumbs up. If you haven't felt these feelings before, you can give a thumbs down. All right, let's get started. Today I feel, an alphabet of feelings. A, adored. B, brilliant. C, curious. D, daring. E, what do you think that word is? Excited. Like when you see the first snow fall, you get excited. F, free. G, grumpy. H, heroic. I, invisible. J, jealous. K, kind. L, light. M, mini. N, nervous. What have you felt nervous about before? O, original. What do you think original means? Yeah, it's like being unique. P, patient. You need a lot of patience to do a puzzle. Q, quiet. R, relaxed. What letter comes next? S, strong. When have you felt strong before? T, tall. U, uncertain. V, victorious. W, warm. X, exode. What does XOXO mean? Yeah, it can be playing a game, or it can mean hugs and kisses. Y, yucky. And what's our last letter? Z, zzz. How do you feel today? All right, boys and girls, I would love if you guys could grab a piece of paper, and on there, I want you to write, Today I feel, and write down what you're feeling today, and draw a picture. Great job, you guys. Thanks for reading with me.